Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Roblox and showing you how to disable the in-app camera feature on your Android device. If you're looking to enhance your gaming experience by turning off this feature, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, grab your Android phone and open the Settings app. You'll find it either on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and look for Apps or Apps and Notifications. This is where you can manage all the applications on your device. Next, find and tap on Roblox from the list of installed apps. This will take you to the app-specific settings where you can adjust permissions and more. Now, look for the Permissions option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that the app uses. To disable the in-app camera, you'll want to ensure that the camera permission is enabled. If you notice it's enabled and you'd like to restrict access, simply tap on it and select Don't Allow. This will prevent Roblox from accessing your camera while you're playing, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully disabled the in-app camera for Roblox on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any other questions about Roblox or mobile gaming. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.